In the meantime, when it comes to the Sabka Saath message in the swearing-in ceremony, that seems to be going out when it comes to Narendra Modi, who will be sworn in for the record third time. Now, what is this Sabka Saath message? Especially when it comes to the Central Vista workers who have been working hard. And in a record amount of time, we have seen the complete transformation that has happened. When it comes to the India Gate complex, the new parliament, all of them, we are told, have been invited. The railway employees working for the Vande Bharat, they have been invited. There are special guests. And we have seen when it comes to the Shramiks, Sabyasachi, how the Prime Minister has, painstakingly taken in their contribution as well. Whether be it when it comes to the people who worked for the Central Vista project or even when it comes to the historic Vande Bharat.
Well, absolutely. So it's a clear-cut message from the central government, from the BJP side, that they mean business and they mean Sabka Saath. At this particular time, it is not only the prominent faces who would be present at the oath ceremony, but it would be the people who represent from every single community. See, the workers who have been actively working at the Central Vista project, they would be taking part at the oath ceremony, and also the workers who have been building the Vande Bharat trains, and also the workers who have been actively working in metros, they also would be participating. Along with that, the beneficiaries of the central government schemes, they would be present, as well as people from the transgender community. They also would be taking part in the oath ceremony. So from the BJP side, the message is very much clear that they mean Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. So people from different background, they would be coming out and taking part at the oath ceremony, along with the prominent faces and people from international platforms also, who would be taking part at the oath ceremony.
All right. So what is being said when it comes to the inclusivity message that is now coming in, the beneficiaries of the central government schemes who have been invited, this is the big message of Sabka Saath that is going through when it comes to the oath-taking ceremony. Sabyasachi, please to continue to be with us. Another round